Stop throwing away your old light bulbs. You're about to see life hacks that look like magic but work like a charm. He's scraping the sink with a bulb base, but wait for it. He cuts the plastic diffuser off, drills a hole, and adds a spring. Boom, a custom drain strainer made from trash that actually works. Now look at this. He's taking the base and mounting it to a gate. Why? To keep his padlock dry during a rainstorm. It's a genius cover you can make in seconds. Think you know how to clean? Boiling toothbrushes might be the secret you've been missing. And don't even get me started on this spoon. One quick cut with a grinder, and it's the most stylish bottle opener in the neighborhood. But the next one? It's going to save you a trip to the hardware store. Leaking hose. Grab some copper wire and a screwdriver. A few twists, and that connection is never coming loose again. Better than any store-bought clamp. Tired of that messy plastic bag drawer? Fold them into this bottle for a perfect dispenser. Simple, clean, and totally free. Pay close attention to what he does with this broom next. He's literally gluing a light bulb base onto a wooden handle. Why? So he can screw it into a socket on the broom head. It's modular, secure, and absolutely genius. No more loose broom heads ever again. Ever struggled to carry a heavy water jug? This rope knot turns a heavy load into an effortless handle. And if you're a DIY fan, those nails on the board are the ultimate electrical tape dispenser hack. Perfect cuts every single time. This final tape measure trick is a total professional secret. He's feeding a string through the measure, adding some red powder, and securing it. Now he can mark perfectly straight lines across any room with a single snap. Which one are you trying first? Stop throwing away your old plastic bottles. Watch as he shrinks a bottle head right onto a tin can with a heat gun. It creates a perfect airtight seal for the ultimate mess-free pour every single time. Genius. Got a broken piece of furniture or a DIY project that won't stay together? This wood joining trick is a game changer. He aligns the angled cuts, uses a metal hose clamp for extreme pressure, and drills for a hidden dowel. With a bit of glue and precision, that joint is